And okay, today this topic is one of the interesting topics and easy one, but most of you people get confused. Easy to score 5 to 7 marks. Easy to score 5 to 7 marks. Let it be any entrance exam for you. Okay. But here we do not understand the pattern, and most of the time we spend a lot of time in identifying what is the pattern itself. Okay. Now see here you can either have a difference or you can have a multiplication or division order. Okay. Now if I tell a difference, online you are able to hear me, right? My voice is
Yes.
audible to all. Okay. Now, if in case of a difference, imagine that I'm having something like A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. The difference between A and B might be something like A, small a. This might be something like small b, small c, small d. Now, this small A, B, C, D might be in a increasing order, or might be in a decreasing order, or might be in a decreasing order, or it might be something like a squares, so something like 4, 16, 25, 36. So in this case, the next number would be 49. In this way it might be, or it might be a cube, something like 1, 8, 27, 64. It keeps on going. So in this way, you can have a different series. Okay. And again, coming under different series, there are multiple options. What are those multiple options? You're having something called as double difference, where initially you find out the first difference, you cannot identify the pattern. Again, you go to the second difference, you might be able to identify the pattern between them. Then you need to find out the answer. Middle difference. What is this is? In certain patterns, it might be something like a multiplication, but you do not know from where to start. If you start from the beginning, you might end up with a wrong result. If you start from the end, you might again end up with a wrong result. Most probably, we always want to start from the middle and then find out to the right and find out to the left. We seeing some patterns on it. Prime series. What are prime numbers? 1, 3, 5. It's a co-prime. 3, 5. Sorry. So before this, you have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Keeps on going. All these are prime numbers. The smallest prime number is what is 1? Co-prime. So smallest even prime number is 2. Smallest odd prime number. Fine. So now, whenever in a number series, you are getting a difference in terms of prime numbers, do not further check for the differences. Prime number means stick on to the prime. There is no further simplification. Fine. Then squares and cubes, zero difference is one special case. Single difference. So it's nothing but a single difference you find out and you start solving the question. Twin series, where you will be having a combination of multiplication and addition, or multiplication and subtraction, or you will be having multiplication and division happening. All these are called as twin series. Multiple series or division, where it is jumping drastically. After 4, you're having 64, you are having like almost like 512. It keeps on jumping rapidly. You need to see what is the multiple of. Wrong number series, they have given you the entire series. In that, you have to identify which is the wrong number. So you need to identify what is the pattern, and from that you need to identify the wrong number. Coded series and missing numbers are some. Coded series is something new. Missing numbers is something like common numbers. Coded series, it might be a sequence is given, and in between they have given something like an alphabet. They're asking you to identify the value of the alphabet. So that is one. Or it might be a combination of alphanumeric, so where you have to find the sequence, that kind of thing. Okay. So these are some basic ideas about your differences. In your multiplication, obviously it remains the same. So A, B, C, D, E. Here you can either multiply into A, or it can be A, B, C, D, or it can be divided, Now there is one special case where a number starts with something like 4 and it drastically drops to 2, and then it again jumps to 8, and then again drops to 0.5 or something like this. So in this case, when it keeps going up, down, mostly the multiplication factor over here is 0.5. Mostly 90% of the times it will be 0.5. You have to multiply it by 0.5. Else, in some of the cases in your mains exam or something, they might come up with 0.25, 0.75. But this is very rare. Okay. Most of the times they give you a multiplication factor of 0.5. So you need to find out what is that 0.5. Okay. So now these are your basics, whatever is going to happen in the next 1.5 hours. Okay. Fine. So now let us start with a very basic question, and then I will just start. 37, 45, 69, 117, 197, And the last one is unknown. Just give a try. Give a try. The given sequence is 37, 45, 69, 117, 197. Now, the first step, whenever you get a sequence, see if it is normally jumping or very drastically jumping. Obviously, here it is normally jumping. So you need to find the difference between them. So find the difference between these two. 8. Okay. What's the difference between these two? 24. Okay. What's the difference between these two? Yes. Quick. Your addition and subtraction should be very fast here. 48. So it's going to be 30, 30, 47 and 48. 48. Here. 18. Okay. So can you find a pattern over here? No. Go for double difference. What's the difference between these two? 16. What's the difference between these two? 24. What's the difference between these two? 32. 30. So can you find the pattern between them? Yes, it is going to be multiple of 8 something. 8 2s are, 8 3s are, 8 4s are. So obviously the next one is going to be 8 into 5, that is 40. If this is 40, this is going to be 40 plus 220. If this is 120, here it is going to be 197 plus 120. How much is 197 plus 120? Yes. 317. Okay. Okay. Now this is the first way of doing it. Wait. Can you find out any other method to do? Can you find out any other method to identify? There are like multiple things that you can do with the same series. Yes, online. Forget this. There are multiple ways to do the same question. You need to identify the simple tricks also, right? So you should use your brain. Write it down. Don't just view the screen. Write it down and let's try it out. 37, 45, 69, 117, 197. Okay, this is the pattern. What is the next type that you can solve? Check it out. The difference over here. Okay, let us take it. Going to be 8, going to be 24, this is going to be 48, this is going to be 8. Need to find this one. Yes. What is the pattern that you can think? Think.
So we add 24 plus 48 and minus 18 minus 8, it's 17.
72. No, I need the pattern. How to find out? If I'm not following this method, what and all different methods can you use? 8 tables. Okay. 8 ones are, 8 threes are. How are you increasing it? Okay, you are telling 8 tens are. Now how do you know the next is going to be 8 into 15? What's the difference? Common difference here, something. Okay, think. It's good you're thinking. Think. Yes, online. What's the next method that you can use here? Or what's a different approach that you can use here? Think. All having exams. I cannot teach each and every step, right? So obviously you need to think something.
8 1 plus next is plus 2, that is 3. Again next is plus 4, that is 6. Again plus 5 is 11. Plus 4 is 10 and 15 plus 11.
I didn't get you.
8 1 is 1 and 8 plus 8 28, 24, that is plus 2. Like 3 are 24.
Okay.
That is plus 2, that is 8 plus 3, that is 6.
So you need to add this 3 over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next is 6 plus 4, so 10s are.
Why 4?
8 10s are.
Okay, this you are going to add with
Plus
next
4
plus 4. 10s are. Okay, next.
Next is 15, so if you add 5.
Which is 15. Okay, fine.
Plus.
Okay, fine. Accepted. Next one. Next method. Next, think of squares. What's the closest to square here? 9 square minus 1. Here, sorry, 9 square until 3 square minus 1. Here, 5 square minus 1. Here, 7 square minus 1. Here, 9 square minus 1. So this is 3, 5, 7, 9. The next number is going to be 11 square minus 1. Is it going to give me 120? The next pattern. Okay. This is the next pattern. Think. All the different ways you should identify. What else can you do? How can you find the multiple of this? It is 2 into 4. This one is going to be what? 6 into 4. Or we can take it as 4 into 6. 4 into 6. This I'll take it as 6 into 8. So this is going to increase each 2. And this is going to increase 2. This is going to be 8 into 10. The next sequence is going to be 10 into 12. So there are multiple ways to identify the same sequence. Now it only comes with practice. Now I am telling you these are the multiple ways. As of now, you also said one method, how you can add the numbers and find it out. But if you keep on practicing this will be the easiest place to score. Okay. Clear with the first question or any doubts? Online, clear or any doubts?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Second one, let us take it off. 347, 516, 805, 1166. 1695. Take your time, identify. 347 516 805 1166 1695. Now I need you to tell me the differences quickly. Obviously, this is going not a multiplication series, it is a differential series. So what's the difference between 347 and 516? Suppose there's going to be 350 and there's going to be 100, 150, 150, 106, 166, 169, 169. Okay, if this is 169, the next one is 516 minus 805. This 200, 284, 289, 289. Next one.
361.
361. No calculators and all. Okay. All are doing only mental calculation here. Okay. Quick. Next one. 534. 534. 529. I think. 529. Okay. So what are these numbers? Squares. What's 169? 13 square. What's 289? 17 square. What's 361? 19 square. What are these numbers? 13, 17, 19. Prime numbers. So the next number is going to be 23 square. After 23, you are having 27 is a factor. 29 square. What's 29 square? Quick. What's 29 square? Sorry? 861. Huh? Okay. Answer for this? Answer. Here. 2536. Try. Not 861. It is 841. How do you do for 29 square? How much is it lesser than 50? 21. 21 lesser than 50. So it's going to be 25 minus 21. That is nothing but 4. Then what is 21 square? 441. 441. This is going to be 840. Right? Okay. Clear or not clear? Okay. Take this. Let's see how clear are you. Third one. 840, 719, 638, 589. Find the next thing. 840, 719, 638, 589. Now this is not definitely a multiplication. This is a differential. Find the difference between them. 840, 719. Okay. Next one. 719, 638. This is 121 you said. Okay. Next one. What? 640 is the closest. 60 plus 20 is 80. 80 minus 1 is 79. 79, 81. This one. Quick. 40 minus, and that side 11 minus 41. 49. Now what's this? 11 square. This one is 9 square. This one is 7 square. 11, 9, 7. The next odd number is 5 square. 5 square is 25. If this is 25, you need to minus 25 from this. So 589 minus 25 is
574.
Huh?
564.
565. Quick. All are slow in your addition and subtraction. 117, 159, 215, 287, 377 blank. Right? And here also identify me the different methods. Let's see like how many methods you're identifying. Here obviously it is not drastically jumping, so the method is differential. 117 minus 159. Okay. Next one. 159 minus 215. How much is it? It's 42. This is 56. This one 215 minus 287. 72. Okay. 287 minus 377. 100. 90. Okay. Now what is the pattern? Find out. The easiest method is for double difference. Do the double difference, find it out. You will take a bit more time. Instead, can you identify some other thing? Obviously, if you do a double difference over here, you are going to end up with an answer. If you are not able to find the answer, do not worry. Do double difference, and end of the day, you will get a solution to it. Double difference, triple difference, whatever you want to do, you will get an answer for it. But instead of double difference, what and all can you do? Additional. Quick answer.
487.
Sorry? 487. Huh? Okay. So which method you used? Double difference. Okay. Apart from double difference, can you think of anything else? This can be 6 into 7, and this can be
8.
7 into 8. This one 8 into 9. This one
9 into 10.
9 into 10. Obviously, the next one is going to be 10 into 11. This is nothing but 1110. So 377 plus 1110 is going to give you this answer. Or
7 square minus 7, 8
7 square minus 7, 8 square minus 8, 9 square minus 9, 10 square minus 10, 11 square minus 11. Differentiating with the same. Fine. Okay. Good. Identify the different methods here that will help you. Fine. For double difference, obviously it is going to be 14, it is going to be 28, so it is multiple of 14. You can easily find it. Fine. Clear or any doubts?